Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about some of the best dividend stocks to buy right now with high yields. In this video, we will be going over and dissecting some of the best companies and stocks to buy on the stock market right now, which will not only add stability and resiliency to your portfolio, but also give you passive income in the form of dividends. So if you want more videos just like this one, don't forget to go and annihilate that like button right now. Comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to press that join button next to the subscribe button to support me personally to become a member for as little as 99 cents, because that's what keeps me here on YouTube. But with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. We will start off talking about ticker symbol WPC, and if you've noticed, we have a check mark next to this particular stock, meaning that I personally would advocate you to look further into it yourself, because I think it's a good buying opportunity. Right now, the shares of this company currently trade for around $67, and they have a massive yield coming in at 6.16% in regards to their dividend yield. This is a New York-based real estate investment trust company, and they posted very impressive revenues of $427.8 million, which equated to a 22.8% growth rate from the same period but for the prior year. Its cash position or liquidity is also very good and stable, coming in on their balance sheet at around $148 million. So even if a recession were to occur, this company is fundamentally solid in that regard. They also offer a quarterly dividend yield of $1.06 per share, although experts believe this company could surge from their current share price of $67 all the way up to $88 over the next 12 months. Next, we have ticker symbol MMP, and their dividend yield is 6.69%, again, very high. This company transports, stores, and distributes various petroleum products. They currently offer their investors a dividend yield of $1.04 per share. Recently, an RBC Capital analyst raised their price target for this company to $66. So although there is not a lot of upside in this company, the share price is relatively cheap and their dividend yield is very high, coming in at 6.69%. On top of that, they also reported that their distributable cash flow came in at $313 million, which was up significantly from $265 million during the same period, but for the prior year. So again, this is another very fundamentally solid company, but guess what? No check mark here. There's no check mark, and I don't think investors honestly need to investigate this further. However, for me personally, I'm not very impressed. Moving right along here, let's talk about ticker symbol DKL, which currently trades for $52. They have a massive dividend yield coming in at 8.72%. This is an American master limited partnership company that owns and operates oil and refined products, logistics, and marketing assets. The company currently generated around $61.8 million in distributable cash flow, which is an increase from what they brought in for the same period but last year, where they only brought in $51.7 million. Again, this does not have a check mark next to it, so I don't think investors need to do further research on the company, and I honestly wouldn't invest into this particular company, even though it did make this top 10 list. Now, the next company is a company that I personally own in my portfolio, so naturally it has a check mark next to it, so you can make sure to go do your own research on this company to make sure it aligns with your own risk tolerance, your investing style, your overall portfolio strategy, and a lot of other variables. And it's none other than 3M Company, ticker symbol MMM. This company currently trades for $97. However, very bullish analysts believe this company could surge up to $210 over the next 12 months. They offer investors a very impressive dividend yield coming in at 6.02%. So the cash flow and the passive income you are going to make from this company is absolutely phenomenal. They have a quarterly dividend yield which they give to their investors of $1.50 per share. And the company has also maintained their 65-year streak of dividend growth, meaning that as time goes on, this dividend yield is going to increase even further, giving you more passive income in the form of dividends. On top of that, the company reported operating cash flow of $1.3 billion, which equates to a 26% growth rate. So not only is this company growing their overall dividends, and they have given their investors dividends for a very long time, they are still growing their overall operating cash flow, meaning that we are going to have strong dividend yields well into the future, and that's why this company has a check mark. Up next, we have EPD, which also has a check mark, which currently trades for $25. The dividend yield is also rather high, coming in at 7.52%. This company is a Texas-based mainstream natural gas and crude oil pipeline company, and both Barclays and Morgan Stanley have increased their price targets for this company to $30 and $33 respectively. So although there is not huge upside in their overall share price, the dividend yield more than makes up for that. Their distributable cash flow came in at $1.9 billion, up 5.5% for the same period, but compared to the prior year. So overall, again, this is another fantastic company to add stability, resiliency, and overall safety to your portfolio, while also giving you phenomenal returns in value in the form of passive income dividends. The next company we have on our list is another company which we have a check mark next to, and that is ticker symbol USB. The company currently trades for $30 per share, and they offer their investors a dividend yield of 6.3%. This is an American bank holding company that offers a wide range of various financial services and financial products to their customers. The company currently pays a quarterly dividend of 48 cents per share, and they generated over $7 billion worth of revenue, which equates to almost a 30% compounding annual growth rate year over year. On top of that, many analysts have increased their overall ratings for this company, giving them a buy rating and a price target of $58. So not only is their overall share price increasing, thus building you value, but you're also getting amazing dividend income in the form of their 6.3% dividend yield. So overall, this company is very, very good. Next, this company doesn't have a check mark next to it, which means I'm personally not impressed with this company. However, this company may be good for you, again, depending on your own investment style, strategies, and variables. This company, ticker symbol NRIM, currently trades for $38, while analysts believe the company could surge up to $50. Now, although that sounds good at first, honestly, not a lot of professionals are covering this company, and I do think that is an inaccurate price target. Now, the good thing is that they do have a dividend yield of 6.31%, and this is an Alaska-based bank holding company that offers loans and depository services to its overall consumers. So if you bought this company right now for $38, you would receive a quarterly dividend in the form of passive income of 60 cents per share. And this is actually the 14th consecutive year that this company has brought in dividend growth. So if you're looking for a long-term dividend growth company, maybe this one is for you. However, for me personally, this does not have a check mark next to it, and I think there are better companies on this overall list. Now let's break into the top 5. Coming in the number 5 spot is ticker symbol MED, which trades for $82. And again, I think this company is actually overvalued because professionals and experts in this area believe the company should only be trading at around $71, even though currently it's trading at around $82. Now, despite this, they do have a very impressive dividend yield coming in at 7.21%. This is a Maryland-based nutrition and weight loss company that sells and manufactures various food weight loss products to its customers. If you bought this company right now at $82, you would receive a quarterly dividend of $1.65 per share. But like I've previously mentioned, I think there are better companies on this overall list that are not only going to give you fantastic passive income in the form of dividends and dividend yields, but also great share growth. In our number 4 spot, we have Verizon Communications Inc., which does have a check mark next to it. I like Verizon, AT&T, as well as T-Mobile. I personally own all 3 of those companies. Currently, ticker symbol VZ trades for $34, although very bullish analysts believe this company could almost double to $64 per share over the next year. The company gives us a dividend yield of 7.22%, and that is very hefty passive income. If you were to invest into this company right now at $34, you would receive a quarterly dividend of 65 cents per share. This company is also rubbing analysts the right way because they have an outperform rating and a $45 price target for a neutral rating for this company overall. Even though bullish analysts believe it's worth $64, more neutral analysts believe it's worth $45. But despite this discrepancy. Both 64 and 45 are higher than their current share price of 34, meaning that this is a phenomenal buying opportunity in my opinion, but always make sure to do your own research. Coming up next, we have ticker symbol PEBO, which trades for $26. However, the company does have the ability to surge up to $32, and again, there is no check mark here. I personally do not like this company, but again, maybe it's going to be good for your portfolio, so let me make you at least aware of it. They currently offer a dividend yield of 6.12%, and this is an American holding company based in Ohio. Even when we go to analysts and experts, they have an overall neutral rating on this company and a $28 price target, so honestly, I don't even know how it made it on this overall list. Despite that, they have been growing their overall quarterly dividend at a very impressive rate, meaning that you're going to get 39 cents per share by investing into this company, and they have grown their overall dividend payout for the last 9 years. So if you want to set up shop early into this company, especially as they continuously increase their overall dividend growth streak, then feel free to do so, but as of right now, I don't think this is a very good company to invest into. In our number 2 spot, we have ticker name Key, ticker symbol KEY. This is another Ohio-based company that focuses on retail banking, and they provide a variety of various banking products and services to their customers. The company currently pays a quarterly dividend coming in at 20 cents per share, and they have raised their dividend for the past 12 years in a row. And that is very impressive, especially since they have such a high dividend yield of 8.13%, literally one of the highest on this list. But let's wrap out the video with the number 1 spot, which also doesn't have a check mark next to it, even though it seems that professionals and hedge funds are buying this company, and that is ticker symbol SASR, which trades for $21 and has a 6.18% dividend yield, although professionals and experts do believe the company should be worth closer to $28. This is an American banking holding company that offers a quarterly dividend yield of 34 cents per share with a $28 stock price target according to analysts. Overall, these are some companies that I at least want you to be aware of, especially the ones that have a check mark next to them. So that would be Verizon Communications Inc, ticker symbol VZ. Then we had US Bancorp, ticker symbol USB, which has a fantastic dividend yield and also fantastic price targets, even though it only trades currently at $30. After that, we had Enterprise Products Partners L.P., ticker symbol EPD, which again has a very impressive dividend yield and great upside for their overall share price. So you are getting growth twofold here in both their share price and their overall dividend yield. And then second to last, we had 3M Company, ticker symbol MMM, which is a phenomenal juggernaut when it comes to passive income and dividend income from stocks that you invest into. And then last but not least, we had our first pick, which was WPC, which not only gives you a fantastic quarterly dividend, but it also has great growth ahead of their overall shares. So with that being said, I would love to hear your thoughts on some of these under the radar dividend stocks with high yields. Let me know down in the comments if you want more videos just like this one. Don't forget to comment and annihilate that like button, because normally videos like this don't do as well on my channel, but I still want to make you aware of companies like this because I do think this is very valuable information. So with that being said, don't forget to go and annihilate the like button, and I will see you in the next YT video.